What really set UK construction marketing apart was the personal interest from a director, having knowledge that the company wasn't too big, that we could be dealing with people who were big influencers in the company. The other key point was we had some particular pain points which we'd had for a number of years, parts of our business that hadn't really grown much over quite a period, and we weren't too sure how to break down those barriers. UK Construction Marketing were able to advise on some specialists that they would be able to reach out to in the industry and provide specialist support on those areas. So that was really, really helpful.
We worked with Premcrete from their strategy process through to their now live new website on the premcrete.com domain, their SEO, advertising, collateral design, video work, anything that you can think of to do with marketing and brand, we've pretty much covered it.
UK Construction Marketing did a complete review of our company, which at that point in time we were FIS Construction Products. We had our brand of Premcrete, but our trading name was FIS. It was very quickly identified, it was a confusing message to our customer base, and a recommendation was made that we would change our company name to be Premcrete Limited. So it was a very, very simple understanding to the marketplace as to who we are and what we stand for. That has been a monumental change for us as a company, and here today we are officially Premcrete Limited. It's been a real journey to get here, but it's thanks to UK Construction Marketing that we've made this leap, and it's certainly one we're not going to look back and regret. We've got a new image, we've got a company that we're proud of, and we've got real faith in what they can deliver for us going forward.